Happy Friday, everybody. Good evening to you. Thanks for joining us here on ABC 6. After a crazy weather morning, we are quieting down big time. Beautiful skies this evening. Beautiful feel this evening. We are starting to feel the humidity drop a little bit. It's comfortable out there. We've got this gorgeous shot for you here down in Richmond at the Preserve. Just a couple of puffy cumulus clouds right now. Far cry from where we were, say, about 12 hours ago. That was kind of the start of things. We really didn't get going until about 8 o'clock or so. And then between 8 and, say, 10 o'clock, it was just nothing but severe thunderstorm warnings, tornado warnings, a few which have verified, and lots of damage across the area. But we are deserving of this break in the weather that we're going to be getting for the rest of today and into the weekend and beyond. We'll get to the 7-day in a second. Let's take a look at those observations right now. We are in the upper 70s to right around 80 degrees. We haven't hit 80 in the last couple of days, so it may feel warmer than it has for sure outside. We were locked into the clouds, more September feeling than August with that cooler east-northeast wind. But now the winds are coming out of the west. And we are, again, outside of a few clouds coming in tomorrow, really going to be looking perfect this weekend. There's your cold front right here that brought the stormy weather. Here's the parent low pressure system. A little trough extends out from that. You can see this little bubble. I mean, it's a typical comma-shaped storm. So we'll call it the little comma head right here. And you can see some of those clouds moving across Pennsylvania right now. Those are what we expect to move in tomorrow. After a crystal clear night, beautiful starlit skies. If you're doing any stargazing, it's about as good a night as you can get. Comfortable, upper 50s, low 60s. We can call that cool, I think, for sure. And the humidity dropping, continuing to fall through tomorrow morning. Here we go through the morning, and then, right around midday, we're going to start to see those clouds spinning in. So a partly sunny afternoon, still very, very nice out there. The clouds will exit as we head into Sunday, and the temperature is going to warm up as well as the winds go a little bit more southwesterly. We should be back into the low mid 80s on Sunday. So if you're looking for a beach day, certainly I would say Sunday is the better for the two. But if you're looking to do something that deals with exertion, or if you're going for a run or doing anything strenuous outside, tomorrow is probably a better day for that. Hurricane Hilary is now a major Cat 4 hurricane. Remember last time we checked, it was at 125 miles per hour sustained. Now it's 130. So that took it from the threshold from a 3 to a 4. It is a monster of a storm, bringing huge waves and surf to the Mexican coastline. It is going to weaken as it moves into colder waters up near the Baja Peninsula, but it may actually hold together enough to bring windy, rainy conditions into Southern California. And if you follow the forecast track all the way up to Reno, Nevada, you could be dealing with a soaker in parts of Nevada, maybe even Las Vegas getting in on some rain. Let's go to the Atlantic side and jump basins here and talk about what's been going on, which has really been nothing, but things are starting to become a little bit more active. We have two wave invests the National Hurricane Center keeping a close eye on, with a good chance of developing into a named storm over the next week. We have one in the Gulf of Mexico that has a pretty decent shot at becoming a named storm, and then another area here that may move into the Caribbean. So lots going on hurricane-wise, tropical development in the next week, and hopefully we can shift to that and shift the focus away from severe storms that have really ravaged the area over the last couple of weeks. Tonight, clear, cool, comfy, 59. Tomorrow, morning sunshine, PM clouds, 75 degrees, winds west 5 to 15. As we look into Sunday, again, it's a much more summer-like day with brighter skies. We shouldn't be dealing with any clouds really at all. 84, we'll go 86 on Monday. Little weak front comes in from the north, little backdoor front, a couple of overnight sprinkles possible, but more so, look at the cool down, 70s through the end of the week. Could see some rain back in the forecast by Friday.